Welcome to the demonstration of the PrestaShop module Auto-Post Products to LinkedIn. This module allows you to automatically publish products from your store to LinkedIn. You can create different publication rules, choose which products should be used, prepare reusable post templates, schedule publications with CRON, or publish products immediately when they are updated. In this video, I will show you how the module works and how to configure a complete LinkedIn publication workflow. This is the main configuration page of the module. The module is based on publication rules. Each rule can have its own LinkedIn account, product selection, language, publication text, images, filters, sorting, and schedule. This means you can create completely independent campaigns. For example, one rule can publish your best-selling products every day, while another can automatically publish newly added products or react when products are updated. Before creating a publication rule, we first need to connect a LinkedIn account. From Social Networks, click Add Social Account and select LinkedIn. Here we can give the connection a recognizable name and enter the LinkedIn application credentials. The module also provides two useful tools. View User Guide opens the included step-by-step instructions for creating and configuring your LinkedIn application. And Get Access Token opens the Authentication Assistant, which helps authorize the LinkedIn application and obtain the access token. You need to log in to LinkedIn Developers Platform and click Create App button. Fill in all required fields, such as app name, your company, logo, your shop URL, email, etc. You can fill as you wish and then click Create App button at the end. Open Module Settings page and click Get Access Token link and copy redirect URL from there. Open Auth tab on LinkedIn app page and click Add Redirect URL button and save redirect URL that you copied from the module. After that, open Products tab and click Select for Share on LinkedIn and then Add Product and do the same for Sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. After few seconds, both Share on LinkedIn and Sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect should appear under Added Products. Copy client ID and client secret from LinkedIn app to the module, and click Get Access Token button, and then click Allow button when it appears. Then copy credentials to module settings and click Save button. The module verifies the access token and the LinkedIn account connection. When the account is saved, you can now use your LinkedIn account in Auto-Post rule and make automatic publications. There is also an important option called Post Link. When it is enabled, the module creates an article publication using the product URL. When it is disabled, the module creates an image publication and uploads the product images selected in the publication rule. So, depending on your campaign, you can focus either on link or image. Now let's create a publication rule. First, enter a descriptive name, so the purpose of the rule is easy to recognize later. The next setting determines how products will be selected for publication. There are 4 publication workflows. The first option publishes products from the rule through CRON. Each time the rule runs, the module selects the next eligible product according to the configured filters and sorting. The second option is designed for new products. It looks for eligible products created after the rule itself was created, and within the previous one-day period, each CRON execution selects up to 1 additional eligible product. The third option reacts when a product is updated. The product is added to the pending publication queue and will be published during the next CRON execution. And the fourth option publishes the eligible product immediately after it is updated in the back office. This option does not require CRON for the publication itself. Next, select the language that should be used for the product data. This is especially useful for multilingual stores, because separate rules can publish the same catalog in different languages. Then select one or more LinkedIn accounts. If several active accounts are selected, the module creates a separate publication record for each account. You can also choose which product images should be used. This can be the cover image or other image positions from the product gallery, and you can use either the original image or one of the product image formats configured in the back office. Now we can create the publication message. Instead of writing a separate message for every product, we create one reusable template using shortcodes. For example, I can insert the product name, the current price, the default category, and the product URL. When the module prepares the publication, these shortcodes are automatically replaced with data from the selected product. There are shortcodes for many types of catalog information, including descriptions, prices, discounts, categories, features, attributes, tags, manufacturers, suppliers, links, and images. Shortcodes can also use modifiers. For example, text can be converted to uppercase or lowercase, spaces can be removed, or words can be converted into a format suitable for hashtags. Price shortcodes can even use arithmetic modifiers when required. This makes it possible to build flexible publication templates without manually preparing each post. For marketing campaigns, we can also add get parameters to product links. For example, I can add UTM parameters for LinkedIn traffic. These parameters are added to the final product URL. And if a bit.ly access token is configured in the module settings, the final URL can also be shortened automatically. The campaign parameters are added first, and bit.ly shortens the completed URL afterward. Now we can control exactly which products are eligible for this campaign. Products can be selected from categories, added manually, or imported from a CSV file. Specific product IDs can be excluded. We can restrict the rule to selected manufacturers, set a minimum or maximum base shop price, and decide whether products that are out of stock should be allowed. These filters can be combined to create very specific campaigns. We can also control the order in which eligible products are selected. Products can be sorted randomly or by criteria such as best sales, category, manufacturer, name, date, and so on. So, for example, we could create a rule that regularly promotes the best-selling eligible products from a particular category. The restart after posting all option determines what happens after every eligible product has been published. If it is enabled, the module starts a new publication cycle. If it is disabled, already published products remain excluded until the cycle is manually restarted. The publication history is used to help prevent unwanted duplicate publications. Let's save the rule. Before configuring an automatic schedule, it is a good idea to test it manually. From the Rule Action menu, choose Trigger CRON Run. The module now executes the rule exactly as it would when called by an external CRON service. Now let's open View Publications. Here we can see the publication records created by the rule. A publication can be pending or published or failed. Successful publications are stored in the history, which is also used when determining whether a product should be selected again. If a publication fails, the stored error can be inspected here. After correcting the problem, the publication can be sent again with Republish. Once the rule works correctly, we can automate it. Each rule has its own secure CRON URL. The module displays both the URL and a ready-to-use command. You can add this to your hosting control panel, server CRON tab, or an online CRON service. Because every rule has its own URL, different campaigns can run at completely different frequencies. For example, one rule can run every hour while another runs once every day. Automation is not required for every publication. The module also includes manual publishing. You can select one or more catalog products, choose the publication rule, and publish them directly. The selected rule still controls the LinkedIn account, language, publication template, images, and link options. You can also publish a custom link. Enter the destination URL, an image URL, and your own message. Select the rule and publish it immediately. This is useful for occasional promotions or content that is not directly connected to a catalog product. From the Rule Action menu, you also have quick access to the main management tools. You can configure CRON, execute the rule manually, restart the publication cycle, review publications, import products from CSV, inspect the error log, duplicate a rule, or temporarily disable it. This makes it easy to maintain several independent LinkedIn campaigns from the same module. Once your rules are configured and tested, the module can handle the repetitive publication work automatically while keeping the process visible and manageable from the back office. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.